Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got my Degustabox unboxing for you. I'm very excited because I'm hungry. Degustabox is a monthly subscription snack box. It's $12.99 a month. I do have a discount code that I can put on the screen for you now, and I'll link it down below, where you get £5 off your first box, and you also get free delivery and like an extra item. I can't remember what it is, but I'll put it on the screen. I think it's maple syrup this month. It comes by DPD or DHL. You get like a time slot when it's going to come, and everyone that signs up gets a code to then use to give to your friends and family or YouTube, whoever you want, Instagram. And every time your code is used, you get points. When you get 100 points, you get a free box. You get 50 points per time, each time. So 2 people means you get a free box. This is a free box because 2 people have used my code. Yeah, we're just gonna get into it. It feels really light. It doesn't feel like there's anything in it. Sometimes it's really heavy, but today it's really light. So I'm trying to be a bit quiet because Ben's in there trying to get Fox to sleep and the girls are asleep above me. So I'm trying to be a little bit quieter than I normally am. Oh, look, this came couple of days ago, I think. It's just been sat in my haul, and I thought, shit, there might be like perishable food in it, so I thought I'd better open it. Okay, so this month is Gourmet and Fiesta is the theme. You get like a little thing here. I will put on the screen at the end how much the box is worth. Look at you. So we've got Blue Dragon new street food teriyaki skewers. Makes 8 skewers. It's like a meal kit. I think you just need to add chicken to this. £2.70, absolutely ridiculous price. In Asia, the most exciting foods are not found in restaurants but on the carts and stalls lining the busy streets. Blue Dragon have taken inspiration from Japan's neon streets to create our teriyaki skewers kit, the perfect introduction to Japanese cuisine. I mean, these would definitely get used. Ben will definitely like these, but I would not pay £2.70 for them, because you could essentially just get some teriyaki sauce, which is like £1 a bottle, and stick it on some skewers with some chicken. So £2.70 is utterly insane, but it'll get used. Next up, oh, we've got more Blue Dragon. This is a Thai holy basil stir fry. This is again £1.50, very expensive. Our aromatic Thai holy basil stir fry contains 3 elements: a base, a sauce and a topping. Take the stir fry to the next level and create your own authentic Thai dish. So it will get used, but again, I would not buy it. Don't know what holy basil is. I'm gonna have to Google that. I don't like eat, I don't know, something religious. I don't think it is. It's just weird that it's called holy basil. Right, next up, I feel like we've had one of these this year. Oh, just seen something that I'm going to eat in a minute. Oh, come on, camera. Very lazy garlic. I do buy this whenever this is on offer. I always buy this, or I've always got some kind of lazy garlic, whether it's like the Morrison's or Tesco's own brand. I always have some in the fridge. I love that stuff. That is, where are you? Where are you? £1.50. And it's basically just garlic that's already chopped up for you, so you don't have to do it yourself, hence the name lazy garlic. Next up, we've got You Fit Crunchers popped protein chips, sea salt and vinegar. These look nice. They look like pop chips. They are, oh, this is a gift. You Fit Crunchers offer the ultimate high protein, so I don't know how much these are. I'll try and find out and put it on the screen for you. 158 calories in a bag. They come in barbecue, salt and vinegar and Thai sweet chili, so that's nice. They'll get eaten. Vietnamese jumbo wrapped cashews, smooth and creamy. Ooh, gloriously grown. These, I bet these are expensive. Where is it? £3. Discover the best fruit and nuts. Are they salted? Yeah, roasted. Oh, this is getting in my face. I love salted cashews. They're so yummy. But these are huge. Oh, massive. Look at the size of that. Yummy. Oh my god, I've not had these for ages. Oh, so good. They're amazing. I wouldn't pay £3 a bag, but shit the bed, they're yummy. Next up, oh, these are good as well. Gruyere and Spinach Twists. These are £1.75. I think these are like puff pastry twists. Let's open these as well. I'm about to fall off my stool. Let's try and find one that's not broken. They're all broken. They're all right. They're I don't know. Funny aftertaste. I bet they'll get eaten. Ben will eat them definitely. He'll probably eat them in a minute. Not 100% on them. Next up, Candy Kittens. These are my favourite sweets ever. Never had this flavour. But yeah, they're nice. I don't want one now though because I've got like the salty and the cheesy. These are £2. And I love, if you like jelly sweets, these are just amazing. They're vegan, gluten-free, and they're amazing. I love them. Next up we've got a King Monte mini chocolate snacks. Belgian chocolate King Monte, like a rice snap I think. I like the packaging. We have 2 of these. Here's the other one. So I've got sunny orange and just chocolate. It's like dairy and gluten-free. Ooh. Is it going to focus? There you go, sort of. £1.49 each, absolutely ridiculous. Plant-based, vegan, dairy-free and gluten-free. King Monte is the creation of a chocolate bar where you sink your teeth in without having to feel guilty. They sound lovely. I'm excited to try those. Next up, chocolate chip granola bars. Allergy friendly and safe for schools. That's nice. Made good. I bet these are expensive. You should receive 1 of 3. I've got the chocolate chip ones. These are £2.90 for, how many do you get in there? 6 bars. That is expensive. And I know it is because they're like free from nuts and stuff, but that is very expensive. But they do look delicious. I do love a granola bar. The kids will like these as well. It's a good box so far. What are you? Oh. Green tea, cranberry, cherry and strawberry. It might be alright. We've got some tea. This is Oaties, £3.39. Again, nobody's paying £3.39 for, how many tea bags are in there? 12 tea bags. No, nobody's paying that. Healthy mid-afternoon treat. Enjoy the classic tea that has been enhanced with sour cherry, zesty cranberries and exotic Asian aromas of lemongrass and bamboo leaves. Complemented by sweet apples, classic strawberries and a touch of cornflower blossoms. It sounds really nice, but nobody, it looks like they're like silk tea bags. Are they? They literally look like they're made of silk or something. Nobody is paying £3.39 for 12 tea bags. And then lastly, we've got some Indie Bay pretzel snacks. I've had these before. Oh, we've got the dark ones as well. So we've got the milk chocolate and then the dark chocolate, and it's just pretzels covered in chocolate. They're £1.25. They're really, really yummy. I've had these before and they are delicious. Overall, that's a really, really good box. I think that might be my favourite box in a long time, barring the tea. Everything else looks really, really good. And it feels like it's going to be quite an expensive box. I'll put it on the screen now how much it is, but it feels like it's going to be quite an expensive one. So, yeah, I'm happy with that. If you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm currently running a giveaway, which I will link somewhere or down below for you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon.